There can be many reasons of anxiety, but there can be one reason to overcome it, and that's you. This video is gonna be short one, but it can help you. So stay with me and watch this video till the end. Hi there, it's Anna here. I hope you guys are doing great and had a wonderful weekend with your friends and families. Thank you so much for taking time to come over here to watch this video. Stay with me and watch this video till the end. Before starting today's video, I have a question. Do you know why are you here for? And do you know the purpose behind your presence over here? I really don't just want you to watch this video. Yeah man, I want you to be here with a desire of learning and a purpose. And if you have a purpose to be here and desire of learning, then please stay here and watch this video till the end, because this is gonna be a happy learning. Hi there, I'm glad you're here. I'm so excited and grateful to you for being here. I really appreciate your decision to be here. I believe this video is worth watching, and you're gonna realize it after watching this video. So make sure to stay here and watch this video till the end. Anxiety can be one of our greatest teachers. Yes, it's uncomfortable and not nice to experience, but yes, it needs to be addressed and resolved. There can be many reasons of anxiety: stress at work, stress of studies, personal relationships, financial stress, any reason. But I have one reason to tell you to overcome it, and that reason is you. Anxiety provides opportunity for change and improvement because it provides signal for something that's wrong, that's going wrong, and what need to be addressed. You can take anxiety as an opportunity to grow. If you have many reasons that cause anxiety, you also have one reason for change and growth, and that is you. As I mentioned before, it provides opportunity for change and improvement. Anxiety provides signal that something is wrong and we need to address it. You deserve anxiety-free life. So take a moment and think about yourself and free yourself from all causes of anxiety, because you deserve anxiety-free life. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and for getting notifications of my coming videos, please click on bell icon as well. See you next week with new topic with new video. It's Anna here. God bless you all.